Hi guys, I'm Fardeen and I'm from the group Half Ice No Sugar, and today I'll be going through our project and concept. So our concept is a tangible learning toy that helps young children to develop better motor skills and allows for synchronized development of the brain. We named the toy ITZY. It's a very simple pronunciation and has like a very comforting tone, so kids are more inclined to like it. We want to incorporate touch, sound, and light into this toy so we can maximize the interaction between the user and ITZY. I'm focusing on the sound and touch part, where the user will be given auditory prompts and they will have to respond using any of the touch mechanisms. So in my case, it is buttons that representing the two hands of ITZY. So when they're given a prompt, they would either hold the hands, essentially pressing the buttons to give answers. And the feedback they'll get will be through the LEDs and the 7-segment display. So if they get a question right, the LEDs will glow green, and if they get it wrong, the LEDs will glow red. And the 7-segment display will display their levels, so what level they're at, so they know how much they have left. This is also displayed on the screen as a progress bar. Starts at quarter, 50%, 75%, and 100% being completed. I will give a quick demonstration of my part of the prototype, and then I'll explain all the design processes and all the things going on in the background.
To answer question 1, press left hand of ITZY. Good job. To answer now on to the next question, press right hand of ITZY. To answer question 2, press right hand of ITZY. To answer question 2, press good right hand of ITZY. To answer the next question 3, press both hands of ITZY. To answer question 3, press both hands of ITZY. Good job. Now on to the next question.
Now I will go through what's happening in the backend with the code and how I am controlling the Arduino. So I am opening terminal to start the Node-RED server. And once the server is started, I will open the server UI through Firefox. Here it's just hosted on the local host. Over here you can see all the nodes that are present in the entire configuration, from being the Arduino inputs on the left to the Arduino outputs on the right. And here is the website that handles all the logic and all the code behind the website and the Arduino. I'm using Ajax to send the level and the correctness, so that the incorrect or correct, that information through to a function in the node, and that node passes the information and sends it to an Arduino output. In this case, it is the level meter and the LEDs.
Try again. Good job.
And here is the demonstration of the website.
Right hand of ITZY. Try again. Good job. Now on to the answer question 3.
Using the Node-RED, I am able to control the analog inputs and get the data from there, and control the digital outputs to output any signal to any of the pins. Initially, I was going to use the microphone as an input. However, I realized that was not going to happen because understanding children's voice, it's still not very good, even with the Google API, because that's what I would have needed to use. To test that, I tested that same thing on my cousins, where I asked them to interact with Google Voice Assistant, but Google had a hard time recognizing their voice. So from there, I concluded not to put the voice recognition feature in there. There were some challenges with the Node-RED because you cannot run functions on the Arduino itself. All the calculation has to be done on the JavaScript that's on the Node server. So I had to find a way to decode the signals that are coming from the buttons and use that for the programming of the game. In this case, I am using the resistance of the button. So I have two buttons, each with a very different resistance, and when you press both of them, that also has a different resistance. So using that, I was able to create a function that allows me to distinguish between left button, right button, and both. So that really accelerated the rest of the designing process, as it was quite simple to program the question and answer method. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.
Sobproduction.com